She is Supriya from class 9 and she is Gayatri from class 9. Our project is Aquaculture Monitoring System using IoT.
Our project theme is based on agriculture.
Introduction. Aquaculture plays an important role in economic development and food production of our country. Water quality can be the fundamental problem and it depends on the various parameters like pH, temperature, etc.
To avoid this problem, we should engage this in aquaculture to enhance potency and limit losses due to continuous monitoring of water quality parameters.
The goal of this project is to design and implement a distributed system for aquaculture. Water quality depends on monitoring of the water, pH, temperature.
Shows the turbidity of the water, and this is the pH sensor which shows the pH of the water whether it is acidic or basic, and this is the temperature sensor which shows the temperature of the water, and this is the TDS which measures the TDS of the water, and this whole system is connected to this board which is connected to the internet, and the system will be uploaded to the internet. Then the farmer can monitor his field from his mobile or laptop. So this is very useful for the farmers who work in aquaculture. So he can here we took the 4 beakers with water and we have kept our sensors in this. So we can see the values of TDS, temperature, turbidity, etc. The TDS value of this water is 89 and turbidity is 296, temperature is 90 and pH value is 18. Here there are 3 options given. Current. The farmer can know whether in his field the power supply is on or off. Whether the power supply is on, the light will be green, or the power supply is off, it will turn into white. And this is the oxygen fan. When the oxygen levels of the water decreases, he can on the oxygen fan directly to this phone or laptop. And this is the generator. Whether the power supply is off, he can on his generator or directly from his mobile or laptop. And it is very useful for the farmer for monitoring his field. And there is no need to worry to the field and go check that power supply is there or not. So these are the values of this.
Here we conclude that this is very helpful for the farmers to reduce so many problems faced in aqua fields for getting more yields.
Thank you.